Inspiration from the great Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the holy land of Chauthe Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and blessings of Rajarshi Shahu Maharaj, instituted Ahmednagar Jilla Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj, Ahmednagar. The institution with glorious centuries tradition of quality education. This institution established New Arts, Commerce and Science College in 1970 with the motto of Tejosi Tejome Dehi. College is offering education to rural, deprived and downtrodden masses from the last 50 years. Now, we have 8,000 plus students pursuing education in 81 programs, out of which 31 are undergraduate programs, 27 postgraduate, 12 research centers, 5 certificate programs and 2 UGC-sponsored undergraduate vocational programs in printing technology, journalism and mass communication, community college scheme programs in digital film technology. Several certificate courses were also offered under college with potential excellence scheme. The college offers a blend of traditional and professional programs like biotechnology, wine technology, communication studies, animation, music, etc. For this, college has 235 teachers and 145 administrative personnel working enthusiastically for shaping the future citizens. The college central library has 1.5 lakh plus books, 157 journals, 97,000 e-books and 6,000 e-journals. The college has separate hostel facilities for girls and boys, Earn and Learn scheme for deprived students, supportive programs like National Service Scheme and National Cadet Corps for overall development of students. As a result of these facilities and infrastructure, college have achieved A grade in first and second NAC assessment and A++ grade with 3.79 points in third cycle of NAC assessment. This achievement spots the college first in state and fourth in country in overall ranking. Apart from this, the college is also having Government of India's Star College Scheme, DST FIST sponsored college, Unnat Bharat Abhiyan scheme running successfully in our college. College has received UGC's College with Potential Excellence Award, Paramarsh scheme, Indira Gandhi National Award for National Service Scheme, 2-time Best College Award by Savitribai Phule Pune University. Students from our college received so many renowned awards. Padma Shri Popatrao Pawar, Arjun Awardee Pankaj Shirsat, Chhatrapati Awardee Pooja Varade, National Film Awardee and renowned filmmaker Nagaraj Manjule, Bhaurao Karhade, Mahesh Kale as the real success stories of our college. College's NCC student marching along with Indian Prime Minister on Rajpath in Republic Day Parade is the ultimate proud moment for our college. College has developed thousands of students like this in all the fields and walks of life. They are serving society and nation at large. This is the key strength of our college that will only prosper with every passing student. College has won the prestigious award Purushottam Karandak in state level one act play competition for 2 times in last 5 years. The college also organized Pratibimb National Film Festival, Nagara Music Festival to enrich a cultural milieu in city. These festivals are now becoming new identity of the city. University Grants Commission has offered autonomous status to college from academic year 2021-2022 for the next 10 years on the basis of NAC grade, educational achievement, infrastructure, quality of teachers, their achievements, students' achievements, curricular and extracurricular performance of the college. The autonomous status will enable college to enrich, modify and revise available programs and their course, start new programs, establish a new examination and evaluation system and statute the results. As an autonomous institution, the college will reintegrate current educational system to timely and future-ready educational culture. The college will offer more skill-based programs as well as value education to develop socially responsible citizens. The college will strive to constantly improve quality of education to set and achieve higher quality benchmarks. We all together can certainly make this dream come true. We all will be the path makers of future and that will be very proud moment for all of us.
ವಿಠ್ಠಲ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ 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 ಬಾರಮ್ಮ 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 ಬಾರಮ್ಮ